Hey everyone, today I will show you how to redeem a vanilla Visa gift card on Binance. Unfortunately, Binance doesn't directly accept gift cards like vanilla Visa for deposits. But don't worry, there's a workaround. You can use the gift card through P2P trading or by first converting it to a supported payment method. First of all, use your vanilla Visa gift card on a service like PayPal or Simplex to convert it into a supported payment method such as a bank transfer or cryptocurrency purchase. Now open Binance. Alternatively, head to the P2P section in Binance. Select buy crypto using P2P. Select withdraw, then P2P trading. Look for a seller that accepts PayPal or another method you can fund using your vanilla Visa gift card. Once you find a seller, follow the instructions to transfer funds using your vanilla Visa through the chosen payment platform. After the seller confirms the payment, your crypto will be deposited into your Binance wallet. And that's it. Thanks for watching.